everyone, and welcome you to this grand entrance of our villa, which is also called as Empire Villa. The entire villa is in a 500 square yard space. It is just at the entrance of our phase 3, just near to the roundabout. It is situated on a broad 60 feet road which connects you directly to the phase 3 entrance. Then the connectivity, as far as the road is concerned, this road which is just adjacent to this villa is the main Dakshin Marg road, which is also called as Tribune Road. It's a 200 feet wide road which directly connects you to Chandigarh, and it has a expressway connecting very shortly, which will be till Anandpur Sahib. Now coming back to the villa, this huge mansion, a huge villa is a beautiful artifact, royal ekdam iska entrance hai. Then if you start from the lawn, it has a personal lawn which is beautifully maintained, very nicely done. Like, look at the greenery, the horticulture. Jaisa ki aap jante hain, Omax is famous for horticulture. So just like that, maintaining to the true facts, it has done it very beautifully. Then it has a huge parking space. Also has a servant entrance right next to the parking area. Then talking about the specifications, it's a 4-story, you can say, place wherein there is a basement, then there is a ground floor, a second floor, and a huge big terrace. So let's get inside and have a look how big and how huge the villa is. Let's come. So this is basically the foyer area, also called as porch. It is a double height lobby. There's a mounty placed over my head, if you can see. Then, so this place is made as per Vastu. There is a fountain area, a personal fountain. Then we get into the living area. Huge living area. The size is 16 by 32. All Italian marble placed over the flooring. Then there is a window, well ventilated window with a beautiful view across the pool. So while sitting in your lobby, drawing room area, you can see over the pool. Then the ceiling is all false ceiling. It's beautifully and very elegantly designed central VRV system with a hot and cold air supply. Then this is the dining area. It also has a roof wherein you can put a chandelier over here. Then this area, the size of this dining area is 14 by 24. Then when we come to the kitchen, now this is the kitchen area. This kitchen is very well ventilated. It has a proper big window, well connected, ventilated. Then it has a center counter with a proper chimney in the center. It is all modular kitchen, fully with the upper and lower drawers. Then this is the wet area of the kitchen. So this is the wet kitchen. Now from the kitchen, when we exit, this is the lift area. These stairs connect you to the basement, and these stairs take you to the first floor. Now this is the powder room. That's the powder room. Now I'll take you to the first bedroom of the villa. Now this is the bedroom. It is this area, like you can see, this is beautifully lit. Then इस पे भी आपको बहुत अच्छा एक व्यू पूल का मिलता है. Fall ceiling, beautiful fall ceiling. Now this is the dressing area. This dressing area is very nicely done. So you can put all your bridal trousseau and all your expensive jewelry as well as your dresses out here. So you can place it. It has got a good height also. Now this is the bathroom. The bathroom has all Grohe and Jaguar fittings. It has a shower cubicle, then a bathing tub provisioning. Now exiting from the bedroom, I take you to the courtyard, a huge courtyard which has a direct connectivity to the living area. Then a huge sitting area. It is a covered sitting area with a roof, false ceiling. Now this is the poolside area, a perfect place to have your poolside parties and also to have your peaceful evenings with your family. A perfect area. This is the gazebo side, so you can have your barbecue parties over here. And this place also has a direct connectivity to your main drawing bedroom. From the first ground floor, I take you on the first floor. This is the sitting area. The size of the sitting area is 23 by 24. Then it has a very beautiful wooden ceiling. It gives you a very elegant look. Then it has attached is a pantry. The size of the pantry is 8 by 8. Now this attached is a utility area. Now this is the utility area, and attached to this is the utility balcony, which is very nicely ventilated. You can see it is ventilated throughout the pantry also. And this balcony will also give you a very nice look of the road and the green area. It all has a mesh windows on UPVC. Now this is the lobby area from the ground floor. It is the double height lobby. We will be placing a glass railing over here, so it will have a connectivity where you can overlook any guest of yours. So while sitting in the lounge area, you will have a beautiful view of the outside also. Then I take you to the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom upstairs. Now this area, the size of this bedroom is 16 by 16. Now this is the balcony attached to it. The view is beautiful from the balcony. Nice green. You can overlook the International Cricket Stadium as well. All green horticulture. So it gives you a beautiful and a very calming view. So about this area, there's an attached washroom to it. The washroom is also well ventilated. Now this is the dressing area, and adjacent to it, adjoining to it, is the washroom area. The washroom is well ventilated and with all latest fittings. Now it all has a central VRV system, so it is all centrally air conditioned. This is all the lobby area. Now I take you to the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom area on the first floor. The size of this bedroom is 14 by 21. Now it has a well ventilated window. The height of this window is 8 feet, which gives you a beautiful look of the pool. Then it has a centrally VRV system, a very elegant roof. We are providing with this bedroom an attached dressing area and a washroom. Now this dressing area is very large. It can keep all your wedding dresses and all your expensive jewelry, like I said. Then an exquisite washroom. Then attached to it is a beautiful balcony. Now this is the balcony. This balcony is basically connected to both the bedrooms. There is this bedroom and the one I'll just show it to you. So these both bedrooms have a common balcony area. third bedroom. The size of this bedroom is 14 by 19. Now we are providing a beautiful elegant false ceiling, and then we are also providing a central VRV system, air conditioning. Now this is our dressing and wardrobe, washroom area. So this is dressing and wardrobe, and the other one is washroom area. Washroom, like I said, is well ventilated. From here I will take you to the open terrace on the second floor. Now this is the terrace area, huge terrace. It has beautiful views. You can see right in front of me where I can point, where I am pointing, it's the International Cricket Stadium over there. Then this side of the terrace, it's a huge terrace, so you can host good parties over here with a beautiful look also. So all your family functions, small gatherings, your kitty parties even, you can conduct here. So this area, this is an open area as you can see, and that's the ventilation to the stairs area. That you can see greenery all around over here. So if you see a 360-degree view of this place, you will find lot of greenery. So greenery, as they say, is of therapeutic use. So you get to see lot of greenery here. The view is beautiful, so as the place. Now we also have an attached area. So there is a small store over here, a servant toilet. Then this is the utility area. You can put your small stuff over here. Now this is way to the basement. Now in the basement area, we have a home theater. Attached to it is a washroom. Then there is an office space. Attached to it is a store and a washroom area. Then there is a servant room, because servant ko we have given a separate entry just to maintain your privacy. So a separate area for the servant. The main entrance to that servant area comes from the front as well, and attached washroom and store. I hope आपको हमारा ये विला पसंद आया होगा. For more information, you can contact at the below mentioned number. Also, you can connect with us through our WhatsApp. The link is mentioned below in the description. आपको हमारा ये वीडियो कैसा लगा? Please comment and let us know. And also you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you.